Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make chili quick and easy. Start by browning 1 pound of ground beef or turkey in a large pot over medium-high heat. While that cooks, chop 1 large onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Drain any excess fat from the meat. Then add the onion and garlic to the pot, cooking until softened, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. This foundational step is crucial for building deep flavor in your quick chili. Now it's time to infuse your chili with incredible flavor. Add 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika to the pot. If you like a little heat, a pinch of cayenne pepper works wonders. Stir these spices into the meat and vegetables, cooking for about 1 minute until fragrant. This quick toasting step truly enhances their depth. Next, introduce 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and 1 cup of beef or vegetable broth to the pot. Stir in 2 15-ounce cans of your favorite beans, thoroughly drained and rinsed. Bring the chili to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for at least 20 minutes. This short simmer allows all the flavors to meld beautifully, creating a rich and hearty meal. After its quick simmer, your chili is ready. Give it a taste and adjust the seasonings, adding salt and freshly ground black pepper to your preference. Ladle generous portions into bowls and top with your favorite garnishes. Shredded cheddar cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or some fresh cilantro are always fantastic choices. This hearty, flavorful chili is perfect for a satisfying meal in under 1 hour.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.